So you can determine fix a strategy as play 0 and 1 with equal play. Now the definition is clearer choice of strategies, particular, and then take usually this like over. Game theory is the study of multi-person decision problems. And since data management systems are going to be distributed and made of many entities, this is going to be a future topic of applications for many studies in the area. Summer courses are very important because they have many students converging from different departments to be exposed to topics which are relevant for future communication and data management systems. In particular, I was pleased to see that there were students from different departments and they can explore multidisciplinary topics. Like game theory is one, definitely.
So information visualization is about to show invisible, visible, something that is hidden in data, to show it visually. So making the information beautiful is important. If you want to communicate this data to a large public, if you want to communicate the message, you have to use this at the metaphorical power. You have to use the beautiful images, beautiful visualizations for communicating data efficiently and effectively.
We work in the Media Flow Research group about the political communication in electoral campaigns. One of the most striking findings in these years has been the political activity in social media, particularly in Twitter. We applied several techniques of big data as social network analysis, sentiment analysis, and topic detection. So I think this shows the relevance of working with methodological rigor in the analysis of the electoral campaigns.
The participation in the summer school has been a good opportunity to apply some of the concepts that we saw in our master, but also to meet new people from other countries and do some cultural exchange instead of just applying the theoretical or the practical things of the master.